For all these real-world problems, it's important to find key terms, form an equation or inequality, and then plug in your answer choices. Well, we have Joel selling ice cream cones. The equipment for the ice cream cones is $36, and the ingredients for each ice cream cone is 52 cents. What's the minimum amount of ice cream cones that Joel must sell at $1.40 each in order to make a profit? Now, it's important to look for key terms when you're solving real-world problems. And our key terms, minimum, definitely, for each, because that implies a variable in most cases, and $1.40, that's each. That's the main part there. Now, first we need to find the overall cost of each cone, or the profit of each cone. That would be 140 minus 52, and that is 88 cents. Now with that we can make an equation or an inequality, and we can chip away at the cost. So we can just set 36 minus the profit from each cone, x, that's our variable, less than 0. That's our goal, get it under 0, make a profit. Now we can start with 41 because that's about a middle number, and then input 41 into here. Now, let's see. Equals 36.08, so that will equal profit of 8 cents. Okay, so we have to make sure that's the minimum, so go 1 underneath that. Check 40. Nope, so that will not make a profit. So answer C, 41.
So Joe has a 300-foot fence around his rectangular yard. The length is 10 feet more than the width. Which equation can you use to determine the dimensions? So we know that the perimeter of this is going to follow the equation of 2 times length plus 2 times width. And we know that the length is 10 feet more than the width. So if x is what we plug in for the values, we get the equation 2x plus 2 and then x plus 10 because it's 10 feet more than the other value, equaling 300, which is the total perimeter of the fence.
Each sold snack bars and magazine subscriptions. Tia earned 132 and Ken earned 190. Highlight the two equations which make up the system of equations to form a system of linear equations. So, Tia sold 16 snack bars and 4 magazines, and she earned $132 from that. Ken sold 20 snack bars and 6 magazines for a total of 190. So, as you can see from these, Tia would have, or this equation would be correct, and this equation would be correct for your answer.
Thanks for watching.